This is a vintage Sherline Model 1000. It says Ronald Sher, Australia down here. So, and it's from pre-1982 because it has a brass bed. This head is original, but this motor has been added later on. So here you have a nice original. Look at how small this is. The cross slide is tiny. Anyway, of course, everything on the thing is tiny. It's also been put on a base, a nice base. And back here we have a nice plug for a milling head. And I'll show it to you with that configuration also. It's a nifty little lathe. Better look. Here's the original chuck. It's pretty beat up. Obviously, it's been used quite a bit. Okay, let's try a cut with this lathe. It's a nice lathe. Look at the size of this drill chuck. I'm not sure if this is original. It looks like it is. Anyway, it's big, big honking drill chuck. I don't know if you'd ever want to drill anything with, use any drills of that size with this lathe. Maybe. This is a steady rest. And I think this is definitely original because look at the blue color. I don't think they make them in that color anymore, and I don't even know if they look the same anymore. Anyway, that's nifty original. Okay, this is a much newer milling head, but it works with the old headstock. So you can use the milling head here. Of course, this should have a different chuck in it. Here's your cross feed. X and Y feeds there. Does a nice job of milling. Let's try it.